Hello students, today we will discuss how to preview pages and print screen. Excel 2016 page layout view gives you instant access to the paging of the current worksheet. Activate this feature by clicking the page layout view button to the immediate left to the zoom slider on the status bar. You have a status bar here, and here you're having three buttons for showing you the page layout. The center one is the option to see your page layout. When you switch to page layout view, Excel adds horizontal and vertical sliders. Look, these are the sliders. In the worksheet area, this view shows the margins for each printed page, any headers and footers if you defined in the report, and the breaks between each of the page. You can see the scaling here, the horizontal one and the vertical one. You can see the sliders here. So it is the print page view. You just have to go to your status bar and to the middle option, and you find the page layout button. Using the backstage print screen. To save paper, print your worksheet directly from the print screen in Excel's backstage view. You just have to click the file. You have an option here, print, or you can also press Ctrl F2 or Ctrl P. When you click this button, you can see the print preview of your page. We have a shortcut here. You can also add to your quick access toolbar the print option. There will be no need, look, the print preview and print. There is no need to go to the file and go to the backstage. You just add this button to your quick access bar. Here we added this button. We use the print preview feature in the print screen before we print any worksheet or entire workbook. Because of the paging worksheet data, you often need to check the page breaks for any report that requires more than one page. The print preview area in the print panel shows you exactly what your print will come out. It will show you the exact look that how your print page will look like. Two icons you can see here. This icon is for zooming the page. When I click this, the page zooms out. The other one is the icon which shows the margins. Look. It is showing the margins. When we finish previewing the report, the print screen offers you some of the options for changing certain print settings before you send it to the printer. You have so many options here. Firstly, it is counting the number of copies. It is asking you for the margins. It is asking you for the scaling, for the letter, portrait orientation, that you want to have your landscape view or you want to have your portrait orientation. It will tell you the ranges of the pages. Whenever you are having more than one page, then you can put your number here, that from number 1 to 3 you want to print or something else. So it was all about how to print your page layout and page margins. Thank you.